How to remove payment method in McDonald's app. Let's get started. Launch your McDonald's app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of more. Now head towards the option of my account. Click on the option of payment options. Now from this page, you will be able to add or remove the payment method. If you have added any of the payment method, it's gonna appear on this page. You just have to click on that. Then you have to remove all the details such as card number, CVV, expiry date, and after you remove all that, you can click on done. With that, the payment method will be removed. So this way you can easily remove payment method in McDonald's app. If you want to add your payment method again, you can come to this page and do that. Well, that's a wrap for this video. I hope now you guys are clear how to remove payment method in McDonald's app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.